So I'm at my friend Luke's place, and this is Luke's lake where the vector boson experiment was performed just now, and I think this is actually a good analogy to the Higgs field. So we've got this lake, and are there fish in here, Luke?
There is, yes. There is a range of fish, all native fish.
Yeah.
Ranging from small little fingerlings to probably the biggest we've seen is about yay big.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good. So there's fish in here. Now, a fish is going to be able to swim much faster than someone, especially like me with my big belly. There's no way I could keep up with a fish. And so someone like me will interact more strongly with the water of the lake than a fish. You know, fish are streamlined, you know, with their specially designed bodies for them to zoom through the water. Now, it doesn't matter where we are in the lake, where fish is in the lake, the fish or myself will still swim in the same way anywhere in the lake, and it doesn't matter in what direction the fish or myself would swim in the lake. So that's the idea of a scalar field. So we've got water everywhere, but so direction doesn't come into it. And so we've got the Higgs field pervading the entire universe, and it's the strength of the interaction between the particles and the Higgs field that gives rise to mass.